Hey, I'm trying to get a handle on this digital refractometer for our coolant checks. I understand it's supposed to be more accurate, but how does it actually work? Absolutely. Digital refractometers, like the Zebra and MISCO models you have there, are fantastic tools for precise coolant concentration measurement. They work by using a light source to measure the refractive index of a liquid, which tells us how much the liquid bends light. This bending correlates directly to the concentration of dissolved solids, like our coolants. So it's all about the light bending. But what makes the digital versions better than the analog ones we used before? They give you a direct digital readout, eliminating the guesswork in interpreting where a boundary line might be on an analog scale. For instance, the Zebra model has a Brix range of 0 to 50 and offers readings with an accuracy of plus or minus 0.2%. We flip the lid. We grab the coolant we would like to test. We drop our droplet here. Close the lid, press read, and read our reading. And what about the MISCO model? It seems a little bit different. The MISCO is a step up in precision with a range of 0 to 56 Brix and an accuracy of plus or minus 0.1%. It's designed for fast, convenient use. That's really straightforward, and the readout is clear as day, even without my shop lights at full blast. Exactly. Plus, both models have features like automatic calibration to water, meaning they're ready to use with minimal setup. I noticed they come with some extras like batteries and a bolt driver. How often do I need to calibrate or maintain these? Maintenance is minimal. They're pretty much ready to go right out of the box, and automatic calibration takes care of most of the work. Just ensure the sample well is clean and dry before use. You might occasionally use the bolt driver for adjustments, but that's about it. I can see how the digital refractometers are going to make our coolant management a breeze, ensuring our CNC machines run better. I'm glad to hear that. Accurate coolant concentration is crucial for machine performance and tool life. With these digital refractometers, you're well equipped to keep things precise and efficient.